Are you ready to learn how to make consonant sounds? Let's begin by looking at the consonant sounds that students typically have difficulty with. For the F sound, you're going to want to bite down slightly on your lip and blow out. Fan, beef, cough. For the P sound, press your lips together and blow out. P, p, p. Pan, beep, cop. For the L sound, place your tongue behind your front teeth and blow out. L, l, l. Lice, laid, climb. Alright, for the R sound, your tongue will be in the middle of your mouth, not touching your teeth. R, r, r. Rice, raid, crime. Finally, the TH sound. Now this one may be the most difficult for many students. Place the tip of your tongue in between your teeth and slightly blow out. Th, th, th. This, these, think. Did you know that students sometimes mispronounce words? Not because of the position of their tongue or how they're blowing out, but because of the vibration. Now, what do I mean? Some words are spoken with a slight vibration because we use our vocal cords, and other words are spoken with no vibration because we're just using our mouth. We refer to these consonant sounds as voiced or unvoiced. All right, try placing 2 fingers on your throat and say ban, b, 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 ban. Now say pan, p, 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 pan. Can you feel the difference? The B sound is voiced because of the vibration, and the P sound is unvoiced because there's no vibration. All right, let's see an example of when this would be useful. Please pronounce this word. Did you say liked or liked? The first way uses a D sound, d, d, d. And the second way uses a T sound, t, t, t. And the correct way to pronounce that word is liked, with a T sound. So the difference, of course, is the vibration. Being aware of this distinction between voiced and unvoiced consonants will help you with your pronunciation. Now, one good method of practicing difficult consonant sounds, both voiced or unvoiced, is by using minimal pairs. This is when 2 words sound almost the same except for one sound that's different. For example, jump, chump, beep, beef, rice, lice, boat, boat. Now, using word lists or tongue twisters are also great options. You'll have a chance to further practice consonant sounds during the online lessons. If you'd like to practice your English with me online, visit me at speakenglishwithantonio.com. Take care.